Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So guys, Midnight launched yesterday, so I want to get into the current price of Midnight, which is just above 6 cents, I believe right now. So following this video, it should be out today around 5 p.m. EST. I'm going to do a video on how you can buy Midnight. So how to swap ADA for Night and how to make sure that you have the right token address. So guys, we are going to do some tutorials. People are asking for it, so we're definitely going to deliver. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you would like to learn here on the channel. Are there any tutorials? I've heard that some of you want to know how to send Night to your cold wallet. It's pretty easy. You're just going to send it to your public address on your cold wallet. But anyways, if that's something that you guys are begging for, I'll come up with the video on that. So today we are Wednesday, December 10th, 2025, and Night has launched. So I believe we're at a $1 billion market cap. Bitcoin's at 92. Let's see what we got here. So almost 7 cents, you know, starting to rock and roll. Looks like it might break out of this little wedge pattern here. Who knows, right? Like, basically, I think liquidity's starting to flow a little bit on exchanges. Be careful on dexes. So if you are going to swap ADA for Night, just keep in mind that you are probably not going to get the best price. There's not that much liquidity. Okay. So taking a look here on the week, which it's only been a few days, but it's up 67% almost. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So guys, if you are going to get this token, go over here. Okay. So maybe we could zoom in a tad. You're going to go to where it shows contracts on the left. And you're going to see for ADA, it is 474854. Okay. So 474854. So that's one quick way you can do it. It's also how you can add different assets to wallets, like your MetaMask. That's one way you can do it. So if we go to MinSwap, let's connect a wallet. I don't even think we have to for this per se, but anyways, here we got some ADA. Let's see. So if you guys go to MinSwap, this probably would have the most liquidity out of all the ADA dexes. Here, if you go and look for, zoom in for you guys, you're going to type in Night. Not IT, it's Night. This keyboard loses connection, I swear. So there we go, 474854. So that's how you can ensure that you are picking up the right token. So there's going to be a lot of scams, a lot of fake ones out there. Make sure that you triple check and make sure it is 474854. Okay. So that's to make sure that you are getting the right asset. So price wise, it's going to be priced in ADA. So as of right now, if you were to convert one ADA for Night, you will get approximately 7.11 Nights. Okay. Vice versa. Let's see. 7 to 1. Okay. So I don't even know what the liquidity is like right now, but we'll see how that tutorial goes for the Moose. But guys, a lot going on with Midnight. Let's see if I can find any kind of new thing. Here we go. So we will talk about this going forward as well. So the Night redemption portal is officially live. So if you guys have not redeemed your Night, you can begin to do so. One thing I've noticed is that, I mean, you got to wait several days. You're going to get a random date on when you can claim every 90 days. So you're going to get 25% of your allocation every 90 days, and it's going to be on a random day. So unfortunately, I have to wait quite a few days to get mine. So here, if we go to redeem, and if you guys do use the link tree, we have a quick link, takes you to the same page. So I even use the link tree. I basically have built it out for myself. Here we're going to go confirm. So here in this wallet, we got 1,000 Night, 1,075 days. Huh. So it looks like we gotta wait a little while for that. Yeah, so I have nothing to redeem now, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's the way the cookie crumbles, right? So let's see. Maybe I'll switch out a wallet here, see if we have anything else going on. We have that. Yeah, I'll try a hardware wallet, see if we can do that. Here we will redeem, so I'm going to switch. Actually, I'll use Yoroi, see if that works. This one I have significantly more. Let's see. Yeah, 58 days for that wallet. So yeah, like I got to wait quite a while. And then I have 4 or 5 other wallets. I haven't even checked them all out yet. But yeah, guys, keep that in mind. It does take a little while. But if you guys are interested, check out the most recent video. I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how you can pick up Night. So the first thing is you need to set up a Lace wallet, which we have a bunch of videos right here on the channel. Hit up the link tree, get going. Guys, we also have some sales that are ending. Okay, so there's still the holiday sale, free shipping for Tangem. So guys, protect your crypto. Take an online course. Just get better. Get better, because assuming things remain bullish, you know, at least for the last couple days, you know, things could get really good. So guys, comment down below. Are you happy with, you know, Night at $1 billion? I think it's $1 billion now. Yeah. Yeah, it's $1 billion market cap. So I believe I was estimating between 1 and 3. So pretty much right there. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.